Well, the Bharatiya Janata Party is now expected to announce a list of candidates for Lok Sabha elections at 7 p.m. today. And we are being told Health Minister JP Nadda will be addressing the press conference. Remember, it's not really a vacation day for the political parties with elections just around the corner. 7 p.m. a press conference is expected. Going across to my colleague Anisha Mathur. Now, Anisha, at 7 p.m, what precisely can we expect from the Bharatiya Janata Party and how many candidates will be announced?
Well, Pooja, the initial information that we are getting for now is that JP Nadda is going to be addressing this press conference at 7 p.m. and it is likely that the BJP may announce candidates for over 250 seats, including in Bihar, Maharashtra, Odisha, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Karnataka, JNK, Rajasthan, West Bengal and Kerala, Tamil Nadu and several other states. So effectively, we may see more than half the seats across the country in which the BJP may be declaring its own candidate list. Remember, the BJP had not declared the list so far, even as the opposition parties have, some of the opposition parties have declared their lists. Pooja.
All right, Anisha, stay on with me. I'm also joined by Paulomi Saha for the details. Paulomi, what precisely is being expected at 7 p.m. and how many candidates could be announced today itself?
Well, Pooja, the Bharatiya Janata Party will be finally announcing and releasing the first list of candidates for the general elections 2019. They have so far released a candidate list for the assembly elections in Arunachal Pradesh, in Andhra Pradesh and in Sikkim. Today, of course, you will see an announcement of at least over 200 candidates for the general elections for the Lok Sabha elections, and these will cover at least 20 states, because we're looking at candidate lists for at least the first, second and the third phases of elections. The Bharatiya Janata Party so far has had at least 4 rounds of the Central Election Committee meetings. They have 2 more to go, which will be tomorrow and the day after which, of course, the candidates will be campaigning and going into campaign mode full-fledged. The nomination dates for the first phase of the elections closes on Monday itself. So today, when the BJP releases its list, obviously these candidates from across at least 20 states which poll in the first phase of these elections will have only a couple of days of the weekend to prepare their papers and their documents so that by Monday they can file their nomination papers. So it is a race against time for the Bharatiya Janata Party.
Well, that's true. In fact, there is hardly any time left. So that means 7 p.m. today could be very crucial. We'll wait and watch the names that will be announced. Paulomi and Anisha, thank you so much. In fact, as we are getting more details about this press conference, we are being told that some more information coming in now. Now, Anisha, clearly it is the model code of conduct is already in place, and that means a lot of campaigning and advertising by the parties cannot really take place. However, today's press briefing could be very important, and now we know from what Paulomi is saying, this is the first official announcement that list is going to come. Any names that are already doing the rounds?
Well, we'll have to wait till 7 p.m, Pooja, but of course speculation has been high for the last several days on who exactly will get tickets. There were indications that several sitting legislators may not be repeated, especially with the BJP trying to hold to its 75 years limit for election candidates. Former BJP minister, former Union Minister Kalraj Mishra has already declared this morning that he will not be standing for elections. He will be made in charge of his state and some other areas for the campaigning. But as Paulomi was just saying, this is crunch time for the BJP. The nominations for the first phase will close on Monday, and we will have to see exactly who all get seats today. When 7 p.m. the first list is announced, but time is very, very short, and the BJP will have to get its entire election campaign gear into place immediately.
Okay.
Of course, the election campaigning has been going on for quite some time, even without the official declaration of the list.
And that means today it's going to be some big names that may just now be announced. Anisha, thank you. I'll come back to you soon for when the press briefing begins.
Thanks for for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you will love to.